Come with me. Today is Money Making Monday, and how we gonna make some money? It's called Complaint Day. So today is Complaint Day for all my credit repair specialists and clients that I'm working with. And the main place that we making complaints with is the CFPB. They ain't gone, people. So come on, let me show you. First, what we're going to do is we're going to go to this site right here, the CFPB.gov. Then we're going to scroll down, and where it says start and submit a complaint, that's what we're going to do for anybody new. Then from there, you're going to set up your account. People, pardon my fingers from blocking that. After you set up an account, you're going to go to submit a complaint. After you submit a complaint, we're going to click and use credit reporting or other personal reports. Then you're going to scroll down to credit reporting. The reason why we're doing this is because they are accessing our credit reports illegally and improperly. Then we're going to hit submit. After we go, we're going to go to improper use of your report. As you see, it says share without consent credit inquiries from unknown sources. Basically, what are we getting at is, even in the beginning, let's say you're going through an issue with a debt collector, they do not have the proper permission to access your credit report. So we're going to now choose reporting company, use your report improperly. Have you already tried? Yes. Have you requested? Yes. What we're going to put in there for debt collection companies is a debt validation. For credit reporting agencies, put re-investigations. From here, now it's going to ask you to explain what happened. What you can do is now use different type of prompts or templates, or use basic English to explain exactly what happened. But if not, you could go here to my tool or this AI tool, which is based on consumer law specifically, to now get you the best prompt, and also new features that we have that are coming and dropping soon, which will be AI agents to help you with the automation, the reporting, letter generation, legal database, email notification, and also we put in there the UPS mail tracking, people. So now we'll help you be able to now better track your mail. Then now we're going to scroll over. Let me show you the type of prompts that, well, let's show you how in-depth the prompts get from this system. Boom. As you see, these are all different statutes. This basically to explain how they are improperly using your credit report and other different statutes and laws that come from, let's say, state or locally, depending on where you're at, to now include. And we're going to take that and put that in there to the reason. Why? Because we want to highlight everything and use the law, because guess what we're trying to get? Monetary compensation, as you see here, people. Yes, you can ask for money for violations or monetary compensations for the violations straight from the CFPB. But basically, this will start your paper trail to where if they do or don't do the proper things, you can now be like, I already asked and contested the information and asked for a remedy in violation, or basically for monetary compensation for them violating your rights. Now, from there, scroll down and you're going to attach all the documents that you need to attach. Basically, any copies of the disputes, any copies of the mail that they sent you back, and your certified mail receipts. From there, we're going to submit. We're going to now, as you see, they're going to ask you here what company. They have the whole data bank of companies. Another thing I like to tell people is, when you go here, I like to use the real business name of Experian. So when you go to file suits against these companies, you have to use their real business name. And as you see, that's the full business name for Experian legally. Then you will have different options to now make complaints about make more complaints about different companies. So basically, and that's it from here. So moving forward, after you submit, they're going to ask you to review your complaint, ask you who you are or if it's you, and there you go. Now, moving forward, people, this is a good way to use this site and this tool to now help with your credit repair. And that's how you can fix your credit in almost 15 days, get a complaint and evidence back, and 9 times out of 10, get monetary compensation. This was an example, but exactly how you can do it. You need help? Book a free consultation, link in bio. But if you like content like this, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, people. Stay tuned for more. And also, the website that we're building, you can go and sign up for now before it drops, is consumerai.info. Go sign up now. We will be dropping the renew of the beta test in 48 hours. Stay tuned for more from the streets of entrepreneurs and futuristic digital wealth, our AI agency to help people. Stay tuned for more.
Create. This is not up for debate. Start that business, offer service, make a product. It's not too late. I said create. Create and make it better. Innovate, network, interface. Get the right people in your space. I said create. Create. If they gon' hate, then let them hate. But if you got God-given talent, that ain't something you should